Since 2008, simpleshow has been trusted by the world's leading organizations to simplify their communication. We live in a complex world full of information. No matter what you need to explain, our platform offers a variety of solutions to help you get your message across simply, quickly, and easily. Our revolutionary video maker software uses artificial intelligence, which allows anyone to create professional clips on their own in seconds. With a click of a button, turn any text into a video in the illustration style of your choice. Creating videos has never been easier. Need a hand? We'll be right by your side with support, expertise, and guidance on your journey to becoming an explanation expert. We even have talented illustrators, highly trained writers, and voiceover artists available to add a professional touch to your video. Have a special project? Work with our team of explanation experts to create a fully animated video or an interactive experience for your audience. Whether you need to explain a complex topic, improve your communication, or simply send a message, we have the perfect solution for you. A simpleshow.